Let's do lecture 18, for loop. Okay, now we have already completed 2. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence. We loop through a string. We understand break, continue statement in for loop. We'll understand range function, else, nested and pass statement. Okay, so let me just make one more Python file for loop. Okay, let's just I'll make a list of fruits and then iterate through it. So apple, kiwi, okay, we'll run for loop for x in fruits. X in fruits, that means it will traverse each element as a value. X will be allocated to apple, then kiwi, then grapes, like this. Okay, and then we'll print it. So apple, kiwi, grapes. So every value in the list is getting printed through this for loop. Okay, looping through a string is so if suppose I have let's just use apple itself. Okay, and there I want to print x, so every letter in the apple is getting printed. Okay, yeah, colon, so every letter in the apple will be printed. Okay, apple. So this is how you loop through the strings. A very easy way, right? All you have to do is just get that letter and loop through it. Now break statement. We have break statement in for also. For is again this the purpose is same, that when I have reached a point and I don't want the program to run further or loop to run further, it will break out of the loop. Okay, it will come out of the entire coding, that for part. Okay, so if x is equal to let me put banana. So what will it do? It will come out of it, and only apple and kiwi will be printed, right? Just see. Okay, sorry. Okay, since I put print x in the before if statement, banana is printed, but when it reached banana, it has broken out. But if I put print x after it, okay, then only apple. So if suppose I just put this after the break statement. Yeah, so if I put print x here, it won't print banana. It will check, okay, it's banana, let's break out of it, right? Only apple and kiwi will be printed. Similarly, we'll do continue statement. Continue is again the same thing that we did with the while loop. I'll just copy this. I'm writing it again so that it is visible on the screen. Otherwise, if fruits is there, I don't have to again declare it every time. It's just that the visibility and clearing of the code, right? Now if x is equal to banana, continue means it will not print banana but it will go to grapes, right? So apple, kiwi, it's okay. Banana, okay, fine, go back to the 18th line. So that is the function of continue. So apple, kiwi and grapes will be printed. Okay, this is how continue work. Now let's understand range. Range is when I want my element to be up to certain in numerical terms, right? For x in range 10, I would be printing x. It will start from 0, and range 10 means less than 10, right? Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, when it's starting from 0. Now there are multiple ways in which I can use range. So for x in range, I can give a starting number, I can give a ending number. Okay, and so it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Starting from 2 and ending at 7. Okay, I can also give an iteration, means this is automatically taking 1 plus 1, right? But if I want to have iteration of 2, 3, whatever number I want, so maybe I'll give a starting number, I'll give the ending number, and then I'll give a iteration, right? Suppose I want to give an iteration of 3, so it will be 2, 5, 8, like this. Right, 2, 5, 8, 11. A difference of 3 will be occurring in that case. Okay, let's do else in for loop. Just like while loop, when my condition is not true anymore in that, then I will go to the else loop. So if I write for x in range 5, okay, print x. So when the condition becomes false, it will go to the else loop and then print whatever I want to print here, right? Right, so it's like for x in range 5, print x, and else, finally finished when I have come out of the loop. Okay, okay, we can also have nested for loops, right? Now x is equal to 3 and I put break, right? So what will happen, right? It will break the code, but when it is breaking, I come out of it, but I come to line number 41, right? I come out of it, so it will print 0, 1, 2, and then it will break. Okay, means we can even use if there, but that else was part of for loop. Okay, now nested loops, which I already talked about, it is loop inside a loop. Let me first write that. So it was done similar to while loop, where you have a loop and inside that you have another loop. So I have a list of adjectives, suppose. Okay, have a list of fruits. Now I want that red, big and tasty should come with apple first, then come with banana, then come with cherry. Okay. For this I have to have two loops. First is for X in adjective. First it will check okay red. Then inside red it will check apple. Okay. And then it will print the X and Y. Okay. So it will be red apple, red banana, red cherry. Then big apple, big banana, big cherry. And then tasty apple, tasty banana, tasty cherry. Okay. This is how loop inside a loop is nested loops. Okay. Now again past statement is used when I don't want an error to occur. Okay. And we can use that in for loops too. Just have a look at this. I don't want any value to be printed or something to happen here, but I want the code to be there, so I'm just using past statement, right? So nothing would happen, no error would come. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.